This is GoMath Kindergarten, Chapter 6, Review, Part 3. Problem number 8. Model a 4-cube train. 3 cubes are red and the rest are blue. Take apart the train to show how many cubes are blue. So we have a picture here of 3 red cubes, and we're going to color this one in blue to represent the rest of the train. And then we're going to show, it says take apart the train to show how many cubes are blue. So if we take apart the train to show how many cubes are blue, that means we're taking apart and getting rid of the red cubes. So our problem is 4 subtract 3 equals 1 blue cube. So there's our equation. 4 was our total. The part we took away was the 3 red, and that equals 1. Problem number 9 and 10, it says complete the subtraction sentence to match the picture. So we're going to write this subtraction equation to match the picture. It says that we have a total of 8 Lincoln cubes. We're going to subtract 1 cube, and we want to know how many we have left. So we have 8 is our whole. Subtract the part of 1. And that equals, if you want to count those one by one, or you probably already know this fact in your head, but if not, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 red cubes. So 8 total cubes, subtract 1 blue cube is 7 red cubes. Last one, we have a picture of 4 fish, and it says we took some fish away, so we don't know how many we took away, but we have 2 left. So we have 4 subtract some number, and when we look at how many were crossed out, that number is 2 equals 2. So our parts were 2 and 2, and that's our total of 4. So our subtraction sentence or equation is 4 subtract 2 equals 2.